Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're making a lamb pilau, and for that we're using cinnamon stick, that's just a whole stick, dry coriander, cumin seeds, black pepper, just few black peppers, green cardamom, black cardamom and clove, and some salt. That's first you put meat in. I'm doing in pressure cooker. All the dry spices just goes in like that. So this is next step for the rice. We're just gonna put 2 tablespoons of coriander, dry coriander, 1 more tablespoon of cumin seeds, 3 green chillies, and an inch long ginger. So you can just peel it, cut in pieces, and pound it into a paste, which will go in our rice. Now that your paste is ready, it should look like this. Our meat is nice and tender, so I'm going to put it in. Put all the water in as well. You'll only have a little bit left. You can put all the juices in. You can take the cinnamon stick out and the garlic chunks out, but I'm going to take some out and keep some in. So you cook your meat with the onions that you already golden brown, so you can see that it's ready to for the next stage. So you put, I already put 2 teaspoons of salt, so I'm going to put another 2 teaspoonful of salt, because you're going to add the rice. That first salt was for according to your meat, and this is for your rice. So that's why it looks extra, but it'll be fine, trust me. We're going to add the cumin seed and coriander seed and green chilies, which we pounded, and it's ready to go in. Now we're ready to put water in. I have used 4 cups of rice, so I'm going to put 8 cups of water, which I already measured just to make it easy for myself. Well, if you're using 1 cup of rice, you'll use 2 cups of water at this stage. So I'm using 4 cups of rice, so I'm putting 8 cups of water. Now I have to wait for it to boil. Don't put the rice in at this stage. You have I've taken all the water out of the rice that they've been soaked in. So you'll put all your rice in. Now you just mix it. Don't mix it too much because the rice has been soaked for over an hour. If you mix it too much, what will happen? Your rice will go all starchy and they'll break. So you just quickly mix it, and that's it. Just leave it right now. As you can see, we're nearly getting there now. Cover it with the foil. This will help to keep all the steam in and cook the rest of the rice because they're still not fully cooked. So now you can move it to the lower heat. Cover it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. This is the final look of our rice. And it's ready to serve. Try my recipe and enjoy. Thank you.